Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the clinical analysis. The components of blood uh, is can be divided into two types. One is the plasma, second is the cellular elements. The plasma is again divided into two types, serum and fibrinogen, and cellular elements like the erythrocytes, leukocytes and platelets. Erythrocytes, red blood cells, and leukocytes, the white blood cells, and platelets, uh, thrombocytes. The blood plasma contains 91% to 92% water and 8 to 9% solids. The solid portion consists of following the substances like organic substances 7 to 8%, uh, proteins, hormones, antibodies, enzymes, natural fats, and non-proteins. And second is the respiratory gases like oxygen and CO2. Inorganic substances like sodium chloride, calcium, potassium, bicarbonates, iodine, like magnesium. In cellular elements, this portion is about 45% of total volume of blood, in which free cells are suspended in plasma, and these cells are known as blood cells or corpuscles. The erythrocytes, red blood cells, bone marrow, hemoglobin, and leukocytes, white blood cells, body defense, production of antibodies, neutrophil, basophil, eosinophils, lipocytes, and monocytes. The platelets, thrombocytes, large cells, thermocytes, clotting cells, about platelets, 2 lakh 50,000 to 50 lakh per cc of blood, and therefore the the collection and preservation of sample uh, of the infected patients, then use the hand gloves for serum analysis. In this collection of blood in dry test tube, and hemolysis, that is the destruction of blood for liberating hemoglobin and other cells. The serum is separated by centrifuge, and third method is the collection of blood for carbon dioxide analysis, and fourth method the analysis of the blood for the glucose analysis. Uh, Now the estimation of blood chloride or serum. Uh, chloride is the major extracellular anion of the body. For example, the extracellular and intracellular. The extracellular, which contains sodium chloride ions, and these chloride ions to maintain the osmotic control, acid base balance, and therefore the one third of chloride is present in the red blood cell, and in the two third in the serum. Uh, and therefore the mercuric nitrate, the estimation of blood chloride or estimation of chloride in the RBC is estimated by using mercuric nitrate, and this method is very simple, and it is quick and well satisfactory, and which are described by the scales. And therefore the principle of the uh, estimation of chloride from the RBC or red blood cells, the mercuric nitrate solution is added to the chloride serum solution and is unionized form. The mercuric nitrate is unionized form in like mercury chloride Ag2Cl2. This is unionized Ag2Cl2. Unionized mercuric chloride is formed, and the excess of the mercuric ion is react with diphenyl carbazone indicator. Diphenyl carbazone indicator, and then to form a the blue, purple, violet color. And this is the this purple, blue, violet color to measure the by colorimetric method or spectrophotometric method at a suitable lambda max. And therefore the reagent for the the requirement of the reagents for the estimation of chloride ions from the blood, the serum, it requires 10% sodium tungstate solution and 2 normal sulfuric acid. Mercuric nitrate is 3 gram per liter and 1% diphenyl carbazone indicator, and standard solution the sodium chloride. The chloride containing the solution, you have to prepare the chloride containing solution, potassium chloride or sodium chloride solution. And the procedure for the estimation of chloride, first to standardization of mercury nitrate solution. Standardization of the mercury nitrate solution with chloride ions. And this a pipette out 10 ml standard solution, sodium chloride solution in 50 ml volumetric flask, then add 2 to 3 drops of diphenyl carbazone indicator, and then titrated with mercuric nitrate solution. From the mercury nitrate solution, from the borate solution, then titrated with mercury nitrate solution. At the end point of the titration, the excess of mercuric ion react with diphenylamine indicator, and to end point is the light yellow color changes to purple violet color, and this is the standardization of the mercuric nitrate solution with the chloride ions. The second part is the titration of serum sample or blood samples which contains chloride ions, and this chloride ions is estimated by the same method, mercury nitrate. And take a 1 ml serum sample or blood sample, and then add 1 ml distilled water, 1 ml sodium tungstate solution, and centrifuge and filter it. In filtered solution, again add the 2 to 3 drops of diphenyl carbazone indicator, and again they titrated with mercuric ion solution. At the end point, the mercuric ion is react with diphenyl amine indicator, then to gives the purple color. Okay, and therefore this is a very simple and selective method for the estimation of chloride ion in the serum or blood samples, and this is the titration method. Okay, thank you.